All right. All right. All right. All right. Hello. Hello. Hello and good day. My name is Chris Palmer with chrispalmer.org. In this video, what I'd like to go ahead and do is walk you through a cleanup that's for a local service business. This is a local SEO website. Well, we did local SEO on a small business website. So this is a small business located in New York. It had multiple hands on it, and we had to do a bunch of cleanup, a bunch of fire putting out. It was a massive mess, and we've been slowly but surely cleaning it up. Here's what I did. All right. I mean, there's so much, like, I can't even get into it. But with that being said, we have 1 through 13. So we did plugin cleanup. There was 473 old pages that we had to get rid of. Just from multiple other companies. It was madness. Speed plugins updated WordPress, internal linking fix, location page fix, header, footer, menus, fix the title tags, pressure wash silos. I went ahead and fixed those, sitemaps and canonicals. All right, so here's what we're going to go ahead and do here. All right, and I think it just kicked on now, which is perfectly fine. So here's what we will do. So here's the website. And again, there was hundreds of pages here. There was duplicates of pages. There was old blogs. I mean, it was an entire mess. So what we're doing right now is I'm just finishing up the last bits of this cleanup. So the very first thing here is these are the new pages that we added. All right. And these are for pressure washing. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do pressure washing. And this was the last part. It's like the finishing touch, go over everything, clean up these last pieces. Sometimes I do this, especially if I want to make a video for you. All right. So here's what we're going to do here. So we do pressure wash, power wash. All right. And then here we're going to write New York. All right. So this is the title tag. So here's the duplicate. Did you see the 2 there? That means there's another page with the exact same slug. All right. Now I know that's not the case because we cleaned up everything. And then look at these titles that they had in here. 5-star pressure wash. It has nothing to do with it. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. And then plus the internal links. The canonicals were wrong. I mean, it was a disaster. Believe me, look at this. It's in the wrong structure. That's okay. This is a capitalized letter. Alrighty. So we can update this. Let's just make sure that the plain view page didn't go to number 2. It's good. All right. So that's all updated. So this one's going to be Roosevelt. All right. So it's the same thing. We're just fixing the title tag. So we're going to do the variation, which is power washing. All right, and stick with me. We're going to do a lot more together. Because I got to have this done here. All right. I have to give this to my brother so he can go over this with the owner so he knows that at least these things are cleaned up. All right. So with that being said, let's just keep going here. All right. All right, almost to the end. Bear with me. So this right here is a page, New York. So just for your own reference, we're putting, like I mentioned before, the variations. This is the title tag and then the SEO title tag. So we'll put pressure washing, and then we'll put power washing, and then we put NY and then New York. Those variations are deliberate, and think about your own business. This is something that you'll want to do. Get your variations in there. You definitely want to repeat them in the title and the meta description. I mean, it's just optimal. So along with that, we like our URLs to read exactly how people are searching. So we put pressure washing plus the city and the state. I might have skipped the state if we would have, made these URLs, but we didn't. I'm just cleaning up a mess here. All right. So let's just keep going. Oh, and don't let me forget the canonical tag, right? So the canonical, what that is going to do is say, hey, Google, this is the original version of a piece of content. Oftentimes what you'll see for canonical tags is when you have a bunch of pages maybe for Google Ads and you're duplicating yourself, it's almost like telling Google, hey, I know I'm duplicating myself. Here's the original version. It's not a problem. All right. And then that's how you combat that. So I think we're getting down here to the very end, and then we'll move into creating the internal link block, and I think that'll be really fun. So pressure wash dash power wash. All right. And then if you're just joining me, this is a small local service business. All right. They do pressure washing. They are in the New York area. With that being said, they have a magnitude of issues. All right. So pressure washing. I messed up there. Power washing. Okie doke. Control C, Control V, and then we're going to put it right here. All right. Then we'll come down here to the keyword. That's fine. We'll fix the canonical tag and then update the page. All right. We are moving right along. Okay. Lastly, we'll have this one here. So Uniondale, Control C. Now, put the variation, power washing, and then we'll do New York. All right. Now, generally, I would have somebody on the team do this, but I wanted to put this video out. I thought it would be helpful. You'll be able to see me work on an actual service business right inside of WordPress. So I think that'd be massively helpful for you. All right. See that I'm fixing the canonicals. I'm putting variations in the titles, making sure the meta description repeats what's in the title, right? The H1 will repeat what's in the title tag as well. So we're super optimized or heavily optimized or tuned, however you want to look at it. All right. And that's going to get this done. So we have all of these pages in here. Perfect. 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 So now the very next step, now that we know that that's all done, is let's go ahead and get all of these links. So this is called Link Gopher. It is a Chrome extension. And what this Chrome extension will do is it will pull out all of the URLs that are on the page. All right. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. 17 pages. So that's a copy. All right. All right, here, I'll get that one too. Now what we're going to do with these is we are going to make sure that the links in the bottom of the page and the footer are properly done. And then on top of that, we want to also make sure that the header links are done. And then we'll go into the actual pages for power washing and take care of our internal links inside the body. All right, so let's go ahead and take care of that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a notepad and I'm going to paste all the URLs. Once that's done, the very next step is I want to, all right, we're going to separate these. 1, 2, 3, 4, what is there, 17, 12, 5, 10 is 15, 6, 12 is 18, so we'll do 6, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's the first one. Okie dokie. So let's get inside of here and let's do the menu. So when you're doing the menu, you'll come over to the left-hand side. All right. And what we're going to look for here is the appearance, which is right here. Go right here to menus. Click on that. And I do like to use what is called bulk menu creator. But I'm not doing it right now because there's only a few pages that we had to take care of after getting rid of all the old stuff. Okay, so let's go down here. All right, let's make sure this is right. Okay. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create I'm going to create one that says service. Okay. And then this is going to be okay. All right, pressure washing. Save. All right, let's bring this up. So now we have services. So what I want to do is I want to put everything but pressure washing underneath services. Okay. Now the pressure washing, because it's the most important, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 16, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, that's window. Whoopsie. Here, select all, unselect. Search, pressure. Pressure washing. View all. All right, we'll go to page 4. 3. Okay, I'm not seeing them for some reason. Get rid of that one. Bring this over. Yep, they're all good. All right, so let's clear the cache. Clear and preload cache. Okay. Right. Okay. Now what we want to do here is let's go into this. All pages. Let's go to the home page if we can. And we'll see if we can edit it right from there to take care of this main menu. So what we'll do is we'll do edit header. Okay. It might be controlled by Elementor. Not my #1 favorite, but hey, it is what it is. All right, so WordPress menu, header. So it is going to be inside of here. Okie doke. So let's get rid of that. So now that I see that, what I want to do here is refresh this. All right. So pressure washing. All right. Here's my services. So that's my drop down, the about and contact. All right. View all. Very interesting. All right. So watch this. So here's what I'm going to do. Since I don't see them, I'll come over here to the plugins. This will make life easy. Go to installed plugins, and I'll just go ahead and show you what the bulk one looks like. Let's see if it's in here. All right. So we can delete these. And then we want to add a new plugin. And this is going to be bulk menu. All right, now it'll have a weird logo. It'll look like a bolt. It's this one right here, bulk menu creator. Go to install. And what's great about this is, I'll show you in 2 seconds, is you'll be able to take your URLs just like this. And what I like to do is go to copy, edit, replace that with nothing. And then this will be pressure washing. Okay. And then you have dash, okay, copy, edit, replace all of this. Then what we want to do is get rid of the dashes and replace that with a space. All right, then we'll take all of this, copy, bring it right over here. I'll show you a second. So we're looking for, yep, I just used it. go to case converter, and we're looking for a capitalized case. You just paste this in, and then hit the button. Where is it? Maybe it's down here. No, it's not done yet. Download text, capitalized case. There we are. Copy this. Put it right back on my notepad. All right. Whoopsie. And the reason why you want the words and, oh, it didn't copy it. Copy. So we want the words and the URLs. And the reason why we want this is because it will be a lot easier to create our bulk menu. All right. So we have these. All right. Cut. Put them right in the same order. Let me just move these back so there's no issue. Whoops. Okay. So right now what we're doing is we're creating the menus, and then we can also get ready to create our internal linking for the home page and our service pages that are all related. So we're just going to put pressure washing, and that'll be first. Control V. Okay, we'll head back out to our bulk menu creator, and we'll go ahead and activate that. Okay. Then we will come into here and take a look at it. Okay, looks like it's on. I think it's under tools. View details. Let's go into menus. That's under appearance, then menu. Okay. And see this option over here to the side, it says menu item labels and then menu item URLs. This is how we can now create our menu items very, very quickly. I'll show you how to do that now that we've already done the work. So what you'll do is you'll copy this. This is going to be our labels, and these are just the literal pressure washing plus city, or your service plus city. And then you grab the URLs, which are in the same order, just like this, and it will go ahead and just add those in for us. All right, generate menu items. Okay. And there we go. Alrighty. I'm going to move all these over just like this. Now what this is doing is this is putting it inside of the drop down inside the actual menu. All right. So these are our pressure washing pages, which are very important to this particular business owner. And see how it's all together now? I'll put that first, so pressure washing, then services, so now I can get rid of this one. Services are going to be roofing, gutter, window, and paver sealing. About. Let's make sure that this is cleaned up. I did not save it yet, so it should not be here. Oh my gosh. All right. All right, so we're going to go to pages, search. So we're looking for the contact. Now I don't like the about because the details that are on the about are probably on the home page. Definitely in this case. Like I mentioned before when we first started, this particular project is really a big cleanup. I mean, it was rough. So contact and gallery, we'll just add those two to the menu. All right. Contact and gallery. Okay. So pressure washing, beautiful thing, and save. That's the primary menu. Excellent. Now, let's go ahead and refresh this. And let's get to this page right here. Because what I'm going to do on this about page is I'm going to actually make it private. Okay. And then I'll scroll down here to this tool, this particular client likes rank math. I guess that's what, I don't know, I guess that's what his other people that worked on this were using, and he likes it, so no problem. No index, no follow is what we're going to mark this page. All right. Right. And update. Excellent. Moving right along. So now we've taken care of the head menu. So let's go out there and just take a quick look at it. So Power Wash Long Island. NG. Oh, yeah, that's so funny. I got power washing on the brain. It's pressure. So we have pressure washing with the drop down, services with the different types, and then contact. Okay, now the services tab. Let's go ahead and see if we can edit that. All right. All right, so menu type, display options, expand slide, random badges, and menu settings, WordPress menu, and header. I really like this, the way it pops out. Edit mega menu. Yeah, I'll edit it. Edit mega menu. Style. Advanced motion. Does it not list the pages? Height, border, menu item style. Oh, cool. Menu item icon and badge, menu item style. Okay. Looks good to me. Okay, moving on. I mean, I'm good with it. I just want to make sure that we have our pressure washing pages in there. Now let's go ahead and take care of the foot, where we are really needing it. All right, so now we have primary, services, and contact. So in our services, this is going to the home page, perfect. House washing, roof cleaning, That's the stuff we need. Let's scroll down the page. All right, excellent. Excellent. Oh, let's take care of this first. So I guess there's a block in the middle of the page. I call it a internal linking block. So this had, a bunch of pages that actually did not exist. So I'm going to go in here and fix this up for this gentleman. Okay. What I'm doing right now is I'm going to check and see, do these go somewhere? Because I do not remember adding these. So I'll do Rosalind Salisbury, Seaford, Union, Ocean, Old, Oyster, Plainview, Roosevelt, Salisbury, Seaford, Uniondale, and Wanata. Okie doke. Excellent. Okay, so those are good. How about this? All right, so we're going to the middle one. Now again, making sure that the links, especially on the home page, go to an actual page, not a 404 or a page that does not exist, in my opinion, is massively crucial. Do I think it's going to tank your site? No. But it's just not a good experience. Plus, on top of that, this is the home page. Generally, your most important page. We want to make sure the internal link flow is flowing right. Levittown. All right, so this here. So Levittown. Oh, we have a problem. All pages. All right, so we know that Levittown, it looks like there's two. Levitt. Okay. Well, here's what we'll do. We'll just go right here, edit, and see if we can just ditch this. Okay. And it worked perfectly fine. Control C. Make this say power. I didn't see. I don't know what they were thinking, but I'm glad I could fix it now. Alrighty. That's an update. I just want to do a quick edit, to be honest. Page attributes, that's perfect. Okay. All right, here's the canonical. Oh, look at that canonical. Okay. Breadcrumb title. Robots is index. No redirects. That's perfectly fine. Go back to general, edit the snippet. Title. So it says pressure washing. Excellent. So this is the description. So we're just going to repeat it. I don't know how they... I don't know who was working on this before us, but I'm glad we're here. All right, clean that up. So that's going to be, again, what we're working on right now is we're taking care of the internal linking block that's going to link to all of the pressure washing pages or all of the service pages. This is cross-linking anything to do with pressure washing and all the cities that we do pressure washing. Okay? Good. Good. Oh, Jericho. All right, let's refresh this page. And then I think it was this one right here. Levittown, perfect. And then Jericho. Jericho has 2. We will edit the page, right? Pressure washing. Then we'll make this say power washing. Jericho, and then we'll make this say new, and then York, right? Control C, edit the slug. Say okay. That worked out good. Scroll down. Let's take a look at the snippet. Excellent. Put the word company in there. Okay. Advanced, so this will be index. We'll clean up the canonical. And we'll put that same thing in there. No parent and update. All right, so Jericho's looking great. All right, last page. Well, last set. We had to fix all of these, which we did. Very happy. I'm starting to get more happy now. Okay. Let's fix this up. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops. 8, 9, 10. Hempstead. Green Vale. Great Neck. Oh boy. All these say 2. Amaville doesn't have one. What if I took this out of here and put this? Okay. Yep, that's the only one. So these all need to be fixed. So here's what we'll do. We're going to go back out here. We're going to grab all of those URLs because we know they're just in a list. We're going to do the same thing we did before. Oh, it looks like it corrected it. Good, good, good. No mistakes. So what am I doing? Well, I am creating the internal links for this entire structure here. All right, only to do with pressure washing. So anything pressure washing, that's what we're taking care of right now. All right. Pressure washing. And voila. All right, now grab this, Control C. Put it here. And then what I want to do is this, replace with nothing. Any space, replace all with nothing. That'll move them back. Then these, replace them. Then these, replace with this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to grab it. Oh. Oh, edit, replace all the NYs. Okay. All right, capitalize first letter of each row. Online tool. Go to the case converter, put these in here. Capitalize case. Copy to clipboard. Bring it back. Go here. And now we have what we need. Now I'll go to menus. Bulk select. I think this will do them all. No? Okie doke. Now, I'll grab this. Pressure washing. Grab our list, Control C, put it inside of here. And then we got to grab, then we will have to grab our URLs, Control C, put that here. and generate our menu items. Okie doke. And we are, yes, got him. Okay. Take this. We're just going to move these like this. Okay. What this is doing is putting them into the header in order to link to the most important pages, right? Correct. Okay. Oh my. Sure do have a lot. Don't be looking, just start doing. Right? Don't look, Chris. Just keep clicking. See, it's these kind of jobs where I'm like, man, why didn't I hand this off? That's okay. My time will be up here shortly, though. Okay. Got him. Okay. I think I got all of them. All right. Pressure washing. That will go first. And then services is a premium menu. Okay. Island.com. Okay. We're just going to put power. I just want to see if it allows me. Do I get that sweet? I did. Beautiful. Here, I want this up here, though. Okay. Put this here. Put this. Oh, you can't do it there, Sparky. Okay. Oh, well. Power, okay. Pressure wash, is that all good? It is. Excellent. Now that I know that that's like that, am I able to get to these pages and make the changes that I need to? This one's perfectly fine. Hempstead. All right, let's finish this off so I can be done for today. This will be power, and this will say New York. We'll see, edit. It's just these double ups that's the problem. Okay. That worked out really well. Edit snippet. That works out good. Perfect. Alrighty. Looking good. Great. Wonderful. Okay. Advanced. We're going to go ahead and index. Can I do this all at once? I believe I can. So here, let's do it that way. Update. Let's go to all pages. Because I know which ones it is. Oh, I don't see the URLs here. I do not see. Oh well. Page 3. Page 4. House paver. Page 5. Paver pressure. Okay. So it's these ones that are over here. Emmaville, Belmore. That works out really good. Put that in the title. All right, it's index. Cut this out of the canonical. And update. Perfect. Belmore's next. Yes, right in the row. Quick edit. So it's Brookville. Pressure washing, power washing. Control C. Get rid of the 2. Put this here. Put this here. Go to index. Oh, this has a capital B in it. Get rid of that. Kind of monotonous, actually. I didn't know these little tasks had to be done. Oh. Deer Park. So we have the Deer Park one, Control C. Deer Park, by the way, in Pennsylvania, some of the best water there is. It's always very fresh. All right, let's clean up this canonical. Hit update. We are doing very well. Pressure washing. I think this should say power. And this is new and New York. Copy that. Put it here. Put it here. Okay, that's done. Almost done. Kind of a tedious job, but it'll be satisfying when it's all over. All right, so we are on garden. Almost done, guys and gals. Power washing garden city. Control C. Get rid of the 2. Put this here. This goes here. Get rid of this out of the canonical tag. And update. Okie doke, Control C. Get rid of that 2. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I'm so happy. I'm sure this guy will be thrilled. Control C. Dash. The power. Right, New York, Control C. Index. This should be the very last one, I think. And update. I did this one already. I did that one. I did that one. Yes. All right, clear the cache. All right. Now, refresh this, and it should edit page. And then we'll get the footer ready. And we did a very, I think we did a pretty good job in a short period of time. And if you were unsure, what we took care of is we did the cleanup, 473 old pages, speed plugin, I installed that, updated it, did the WordPress stuff update, internal linking fix, that's what we're doing, location page fix, that's what I just did, header, footer, menu fixed, all done, title tags, all done, pressure wash silo pages fixed, yes, sitemaps will be updated, canonicals I fixed, in case anyone wasn't sure. All right, so what we're going to do here is Okay. Let's see this. Actually, now that I know that this is here like this, dang, I wish I would have saw that before. Oh well. Hindsight is always 2020. Edit and replace with nothing. Let's see how that looks. Well, that's strange. Does it not want to give those to me? I guess we could think about that when we're done. Copy. Get this. All right. Get rid of this. Copy, edit. Replace that with nothing. Control C. Bring this over. A, delete, and B. All right, visual. Oh, I see now. Oh. All right. All right. Jericho. Good old Jericho. Odd. Hey, you know what? Let's just get this fixed so we can move to the next piece. Because I think that's more important. I'm going to be honest. Yes. Okay. I could fix that. I'm not going to do it right this second, but it could be fixed very easily. Getting these pages in here is more important for me. Edit, replace, and replace all. I'm so glad I don't design websites. I just do the SEO. Oh, I'm glad that's not my job. Okay, I got the part that I needed done though. And that's what I care about. So we can update this. I got all the individual links in. Um, all right, I got this row, I got this row. Um, I'm gonna have Alex do this part. All right, don't worry about it, Chris. Just move on. You got the hard part done. You got this part done, which is the internal linking. So that is pretty much it for today. Let's go over here. All right, we'll see. Julian, hello, good to see you. Dan Bolts, great to see you. Marian, can you explain the header linking to the local pages versus main service? We're going to the services and we're going to other services that we provide. So it's going to be our primary, which is going to be the power washing in this instance. And that's most important. The other ones are just additional. So I'm looking to get those pages indexed right away. And then I'll just have the top level pages in there. But like I mentioned before, the pages were different. There was a boatload. There was like 3 different variations of the same site. It was madness. There was 400 and some pages. So there was like, you just saw how I was changing that number 2 at the very end. There was multiple iterations of the same thing, plus blogs, and like, oh my gosh, it was a mess. New channel join live. Can you give me 20-second rundown of what you're currently doing? 20-second rundown is I was doing this. All right, I was cleaning something up. Just helping out this gentleman. He was going through multiple companies. He had 80% of the stuff done, but he needed this particular silo taken care of, the internal linking done. And we did some other little odds and ends, but this silo I wanted to do and make a video and share it with you. All right. I'll have my brother, or he has like a developer, a WordPress developer, not like a coder. So he can take care of like beautiful little design elements. He'll bang this right out. So what I'm going to do in the footer is I want to take care of this, and then I have to go. I wanted to make sure I said hello to everybody. I got to fix this. All right, so what I did is I moved this. All right. All right, you can delete that. All right. There's our services: house, roof, window, paver, commercial. So power washing. Pressure wash. All right, and then Control C, edit, replace. Okay. Spacebar, replace all that. And there you go. Copy. Default. Layout. Okay. Man, I really don't want to do this, but I will. All right. I want to put all of his pages here, but I don't have time for that right this second. Can I just put plain old text here? Copy, paste. This. Delete. Oh, you got me again with this. Oh, you can't do that, Chris. Yeah, you're gonna have to come back and do that. You can't just add that. Here, just so he knows what I'm up to, here's what I'll do. Put these in alphabetical. Sentence case. Alphabetical order online tool. I'll put text in alphabetical order. Okay, I'm good. Here, we're just gonna do this. E, F, G. Here, we'll take these right here. Just so he knows what I'm up to. Copy, duplicate. Where'd it go? Oh. Delete. Copy. Paste. Okay. We're just gonna do like one or two just so he knows what I'm up to. V. And this is gonna go here. Oh boy. I'm in a rush, you can tell. I'm done. All right, let's just grab this and we'll call it a day. Yeah. And I'm out of here. Oh my gosh, how do you spell it? A-M-I-T-Y. A-M-I-T-Y. And what's this? V-I-L-L-E. V-I-L-L-E. All right. Link. Sure. And that's going to wrap it up. That's how we're going to do it, just like that. So let's update this page. That's going to wrap it up for me today. I'm glad that we were able to get all of this done. I still need to straighten that piece out. It's columns, just little bits of nonsense. Not a big issue. Sorry, I was getting a text. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'll move this to the intersection. Thank you so much, and have a great day. That was cool. See you guys. Love convert case. Absolutely, Billy. Got to open more notepads. Those are rookie numbers. Right? It's just little, whatever you're working on, boom, notepad. Man, you guys have a great day. Maybe I'll leave this up. All right? You guys have a great day. See ya. Bye-bye.